Hello, my name is Yvette Vasquez, and today I am going to identify the major events of skeletal muscle fiber contraction. Firstly, the motor neuron releases neurotransmitter causing a release of calcium ions. Then the troponin units on the actin filament are bound by calcium ions, causing it to move tropomyosin away from binding sites on the actin filaments, exposing the myosin binding sites. The head of each myosin unit is bound to an ADP and phosphate molecule from a previous muscular contraction. Then myosin heads release phosphate molecule and bind to the myosin binding sites. Then the two myofilaments glide past one another, propelled by head-first movement of the myosin units powered by the chemical energy stored in their head. As the units move, the ADP molecule is released from the head. Then the gliding motion is stopped when ATP molecules are bonded to the myosin head. Then the bond is separated between the actin filament and the myosin filament. The ATP molecules are decomposed into ADP and phosphate with stored energy from the myosin heads, and then the whole cycle is repeated. And these are my sources.